Welcome to our app, where understanding the Quran is made simple. If you've yet to explore the Quran with understanding, especially if you are busy and struggling with time, this app is your perfect starting point. Designed for simplicity, you can read translations in your preferred language with options in English, Urdu, Sindhi, Pashto, and Hindi. Switch languages seamlessly while reading. All translations are presented in a contemporary style, ensuring ease of understanding. Our app includes a simple and spiritual commentary, free from technical jargon, legal rulings, masail, and historical discussions. Instead, it focuses on key concepts essential for living a God-oriented life. Translations and commentary are provided by Maulana Wahiduddin, a globally recognized scholar from India. He has been honored with numerous national and international awards from India, Pakistan, ISNA USA, and UAE, with recognition from prominent figures like Sheikh Abdallah bin Baya at Abu Dhabi. App is ad-free, allowing you to delve deeper into the profound meanings and contemplate.